smart buyers! Welcome back to another episode of Buy Smart, your go-to channel for making the smartest purchasing decisions. Today, we're diving into the sky-high world of drones, pitting the Hiterbo drone with 1080p camera against the fact-jank brushless motor drone. Will Hiterbo take off smoothly, or will fact-jank blow it out of the sky? Let's find out. First up, we have the Hiterbo drone with its 1080p camera. You can manually adjust this bad boy to see what's in front of you or directly below. According to reviewers, the camera provides high-quality footage and is perfect for those who enjoy adventure and photography. On the other hand, the fact-jank drone also offers a 1080p camera, but it's motorized and adjustable up to 135 degrees. Reviewers highlight that despite its decent picture quality, the video can be a bit shaky. However, its motorized adjustability allows for quick orientation changes, making it versatile for capturing different angles. Hiterbo comes with 2 batteries, each giving you around 12 minutes of flight time, totaling 24 minutes. Reviewers appreciate the extra battery and find it convenient for outdoor use. Fact-jank, on the other hand, doesn't specify battery life, but boasts brushless motors that save energy. Some reviewers noted its long battery life and smooth flight experience, suggesting that you might get more flight time with fact-jank. It's like the Tesla of drones, eco-friendly and powerful. Hiterbo boasts features like altitude hold, 3D flip, headless mode, and voice control. Reviewers find it user-friendly, especially for beginners and children. Plus, it's durable and stable in winds up to 15 miles per hour. Fact-jank steps up the game with level 4 wind resistance and a top speed of 40 kilometers per hour. Reviewers appreciate its advanced features, like optical flow positioning, custom path flight, and gesture control, although some have experienced connectivity issues with the app. It's like the Usain Bolt of drones. Hiterbo lets you control it via remote or smartphone app, but to capture video, you need to disconnect the remote. Reviewers mention this as a minor inconvenience, but still find the overall control experience satisfactory. Fact-jank uses a 5 GHz Wi-Fi FPV transmission, providing smooth, lag-free video. Reviewers praise its seamless video transmission, although some have had issues with the app connectivity. It's like upgrading from dial-up to fiber optic internet. Now, let's talk money. Hiterbo is priced at a very reasonable $79. Reviewers find it affordable and fun, making it a great value for beginners. Fact-jank, however, comes in at $119. While pricier, reviewers acknowledge that you're paying for those sweet brushless motors and advanced features. It's like splurging on that extra guac at Chipotle. Totally worth it. Reviewers generally find the Hiterbo drone to be a great entry-level drone with its user-friendly features and affordable price. It's durable and provides a good flying experience, especially for beginners and children. On the other hand, the fact-jank brushless motor drone is praised for its advanced features, efficient battery life, and smooth video transmission. However, some users have experienced connectivity issues and rare cases of the drone flying away. So there you have it, folks. If you're a beginner looking for a fun, easy-to-use drone, Hiterbo is your guy. But if you want more power, better stability, and advanced features, fact-jank is the way to go. Which one will you choose? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on our smart buying tips. Until next time, happy flying, smart buyers! Product links are in the description.